If you've ever wanted pro-level aerial shots without learning 1,000 settings first, the Sky Rover X1 is tailor-made for you. Or if you've been thinking about getting into drones, or leveling up from the starter one you've been flying around your backyard, this little guy might be the exact thing you're looking for. So today, we are taking a proper look at what the Sky Rover X1 actually offers. Is it worth your attention? Is it the new best value mini flagship? And most importantly, is it something you can confidently fly without sweating over trees, walls, or your friend who always walks into the shot? Let's start from the basics. Lightweight and foldable. The first thing you'll notice is how small and light it is. The Sky Rover X1 comes in at under 249 grams. It's foldable, compact, and because it's under 249 grams, you skip a lot of registration hassles in many countries. That alone is a win. In addition, it has a clean, simple design with a USB-C charging port and a memory card slot tucked inside. The controller is compact, comfy, and comes with removable sticks and cables for different phones. The app is straightforward. Everything you actually need, battery, signal, camera settings, is right where you'd expect it. Now comes the million-dollar question. How good are the shots? The Sky Rover X1 brings a 1/1.3-inch sensor with an f/1.7 aperture, which is kind of wild for a drone this tiny. You're getting 8K photos, bright, detailed, and surprisingly clean. And for video, you're looking at 4K 60 FPS HDR, which gives you rich color, great dynamic range, and smooth motion. The rotating camera also lets you capture true vertical video. Not cropped, not resized, the full sensor, but vertically. That means your shorts and social content actually look clean and professional. Plus, the AI night mode is impressive. You still get clear, usable footage without noisy, muddy shadows. So yes, you can finally film that city skyline at night without it turning into a blurry mess. A lot of people worry about range and signal, but the Sky Rover X1 comes with what they call Skybridge transmission, and it's rated up to 15 kilometers. After weeks of testing, it holds steady. No sudden dropouts, no random disconnects, just a consistent, reliable feed. And speaking of feed, your live view streams at 1080p 60 FPS, so you see exactly what the camera sees, without lag. If you're new to drones, here's where the Sky Rover X1 makes the difference. 360-degree obstacle sensing. Front, back, bottom, it literally watches every direction for you. You can choose whether you want it to stop before an obstacle or smoothly bypass it. You also get smart return to home, and this thing is smarter than what you find on most mini drones. It scans its surroundings, creates an internal map, and finds the safest, most efficient path back to you. Even if the battery gets low, it switches to a power-saving return mode. Flight time is another highlight, 32 minutes. That's enough for a full session of shooting without constantly checking the battery. You'll get more shots, more footage, and way less, is it gonna make it? Intelligent flight modes. Sky Rover has packed X1 with modes you'll probably end up using all the time. Quick shots, like Droney, Circle, Helix, Rocket, and Asteroid. Focus track, active track, spotlight, point of interest. Waypoint missions for fully automated flight paths. Panoramas and hyperlapse for creative shots. If you've never used tracking before, it locks onto moving subjects like bikes, cars, or a friend running and follows smoothly without wobbling. So, is the Sky Rover X1 worth it? If you want a premium mini drone that doesn't cost as much as the bigger names, the Sky Rover X1 is all you need. You get great image quality, reliable flight performance, a long transmission range, solid safety features, and smart modes that help you shoot like a pro with almost zero stress. But we want to hear from you. What do you like about the Sky Rover X1? Which feature stands out the most for you? Let me know in the comments.